Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this dramatic look. I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using this primer and it is amazing. Definitely get your hands on it because wow. So you can use Prettygrace for some money off, and I'll link it down below for you guys. So I'm gonna start off applying this, and I do have two different colors. I have this white one and I have like a different color. I will use it another way so you guys can see the difference, but I decided to use this white one because it just makes the eyeshadows pop a lot. So then I'm gonna go with this blue shadow right here, and this is from Makeup Geek. I don't know if they still have these for sale because they're no longer like, you know, selling things, but I'll try to see if I can find it. If not, you can use whatever you guys have, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply that blue color all over my crease, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that upwards, and I'm just working that color in. Then I'm going to go with this darker blue, and I'm going to apply this into the inner corner and outer corner of the eyes just to make that kind of sandwich look. So yeah, just going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just blending that inwards as well, just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And I want those inner corners and outer corners to be really dark. Then I decided to go with some lip gloss and apply this as an what is it, like a glue for the glitter. I'm using eye candy glitter, and I'm just applying this into the center of the lid. I think this is a great trick. If you don't have glitter glue, you can use lip gloss. Just make sure you use a clear lip gloss and it doesn't have like that mint, because that's the mistake I did. I used a gloss that had mint and my lids were like minty and kind of feeling weird. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go ahead with the same dark blue applied to the inner and outer corner of my bottom lash line. And then I'm just going to go back and apply some of that mint lip gloss and apply some of that glitter as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this Skin Color eyeliner. And I'll list it down below for you guys just because I wanted something to pop. And I forgot to apply eyeliner to hide the band from my lashes, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm applying some setting spray. This one is from Milk Makeup. I love it because it makes my skin look dewy. Then I'm going with some Balsam. It's like a lip cream or something like that. It feels really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my lips. You can definitely change the lip color if you want to. I just kind of wanted to try this color because I thought it was really pretty. So yeah, it's actually really simple. Then I'm just going to apply this shimmery blue shade into the inner corners of my eyes just to make it pop a little bit more. And I wanted to make it really dramatic, so yeah. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.